given children's different food items, which food we get from plant and which from animal. Are you completed this box? Okay, next question. Next, below that, you know that food items are usually cooked before eaten, but there are some food items which we could be eaten as a raw. I have again written on your blackboard. See carefully some vegetables that eaten can be raw. Carrot, radish, tomato, cucumber, cabbage. All these are the raw food items, and all the fruits are also we are eating as a raw only. So here observe these pictures. First one, which one is this? This is a carrot. Very good. To be healthy, it is eaten raw. Carrot. You should have to also eat some raw vegetables. It will be very healthy to you. Next one is a tomato. They are given here tomato. It is very tasty if it is eaten raw. If you are eating a tomato only raw, it is very tasty. It get a sweet and sour taste. Next one on page 58, turn your page and see these pictures. Radish. It is some hot taste. Radish has a little hot taste. But people like to eat raw. Do you also eat raw? Are you eating raw radish? Okay, good. Who those are not eaten, try to eat and feel that taste. Apple. You know it well. If you eat daily, you will be healthy. Do you know this? Yes, you should have to eat a daily apple. Next one they are given here cucumber. You will be happy if it is in your meal, don't you? Yes, all children loves cucumber. Okay now. If you are eating only raw, otherwise make it salad and then eat. It is a very tasty food. Last one, it is a banana. Everybody likes it. It is very tasty. Yes, all children's favorite fruit is which one? Banana. All loves it. So name the food item you eaten raw. All these are the raw food item, and I have already written on a blackboard also. You have to write this chart in your home. Practice it by heart it. Which one is plant product? Which one is animal product? Okay. Turn page number 59. Name 5 food items which you eat raw and 5 cooked food item you eat. I have written here, so fill this chart again here. You have to write here raw food item radish, carrot, cabbage, tomato, cucumber, and here food items which you cook and then eat. Brinjal, ladyfinger, potato, pumpkin. Next one, which food item is this? Another one, spinach. All these are the cooked food items. Which is your favorite food among ones you have mentioned above and why? Which food do you like? You have to write the reason why. Because its taste is sweet, its taste is some hot. You have to write the different reasons. So it is good for health to eat vegetables like carrot, radish, cucumber raw, but it should be washed neatly before eating. How you want to eat, childrens? While your mother father bringing from market, you are eating that much immediately? No, that time what you have to do, you have to take that vegetable or fruit and then wash it neatly. Clearly you should have to wash that food item and then eat. Okay. So on turn page 60, collect small, here some activity they are given to you to do. Collect some small pictures of different food materials, classify them and paste it in the space provided. Food material obtained from plant and food material obtained from animals. Here what you have to do, this is a activity, this is your homework also children. Try to solve this. What you have to do, classify the different pictures, means you have to collect the pictures. If you are taking a newspaper at your home or some magazines you have, then what you have to do, you have to cut that picture. Here plant means take different types of vegetables or fruits, 1, 4, 5 pictures and paste in this box. And if here they are given here food material obtained from animals, means what you have to do, take a newspaper or magazines, take different non-vegetarian food items, egg, milk, meat, fish, and cut that pictures and paste in this space provided below. So turn the next page. This is your homework. Do this activity in home. Page number 61. Here one family, they are shown in book. one family member, mother, father, brothers and sister. So here is one story, listen carefully. Kamla and Raju have their breakfast before coming to school. They have lunch in afternoon along with their friends. They eat fruits after going home from school. Then they engage themselves in studies. All the members of their family sit together and have dinner. So Kamla and Raju are the brothers and sisters, and what they are doing while before coming to school, they are taking a breakfast with their family members, and then they came to school. While they are coming to school, their parents will be in school. No, they are not with them. So they are taking lunch with their friends. While you are coming to school, you are also taking lunch with your friends in a school. And after that, while they get fruits after going from home, means you are also going from school at 4:30. Okay, then that time what you are doing, children, you are getting fresh at your home and you are eating some fruits, drinking milk, some different snacks, and then they are again engaged to their homework. You also, while you are going to school, you are engaged with your studies, and after at night that you are also taking a dinner with your whole family members. Okay. Some question here, write the food habits of your family into sentence. Means you have to write here which food habit. Yes, you have to write one sentence. We are taking dinner at night with our family members. We are enjoying our dinner. We have to eat each and every food from our plate. So next, page number 62. Name 3 dishes that prepared in your house. Your mother makes different types of varieties of dish. So which food items you like to eat? Write the different names here. Maybe it is dosa, idli, rice, chapati, different types of sweets. All these items you have to write here. Next, where do you have your lunch? With whom do you eat? What do you have? If you are coming to school, you are taking lunch with your friends. So write down with her friends. Next question, with whom do you have dinner? What do you like to have for dinner? At night you are taking dinner with your family members. That time what you are what dinner you are prefer to eat, childrens? You like to eat rice, dal, chapati, different vegetables. Okay. Write these answers in a sentence by using your pencil only. So turn page number 63. Here some different utensils which your mother makes to use to make a different types of food. Which are they? Which are they, children? See in your book, page number 63, they are given different utensils. So from that, which one your mother makes to cook food? On a pressure cooker. Yes, she is making rice in a pressure cooker. Next one, frying pan is there, some frying pan, pressure cooker, some pots, kettles, all these types of utensils mother makes use to cook a food. Which you know, make it right mark to that food utensils. Turn page 64. Observe the following animals and their food. Discuss with your friends. See, all human beings need a food. Not all the living beings need a food. Not only human beings, all the animals, birds also need food to eat. So first one they are given here, cow. What cow eating? She is eating a grass. Next one, fish. Fish is also takes a breath in a water, oxygens only. Next one, sheep. Sheep is also eating here some plants. Elephant is eating sugar cane. Next one, lizard. Lizard also eating a cockroaches. Means lizard eating a small insects. Rabbit is here. What is the favorite food of rabbit is carrot. Lion. Lion is eating deer. Means flesh of other animals. Next one, pigeon is eating some grains. See the pictures and try to understand which animal what they are eating. Squirrel is here. Squirrel is eating tomato. Next, frog is here. Frog is again eating a grasshopper. Means frog is also eating some small insects. Here one sparrow, bird, small birds. Small birds are eating only grains, pulses and grains. Next one, goat. They are given here goat. Goat is eating a grass or some small plants. So some animals eating a grass and small plants, and this wild animals means some other animals eating a flesh of other animals. So some animal eat only food they get from plants. Examples are deer, rabbit, sheep, parrot, etc. And some other animals get animals and their food. Examples means tiger, lion, etc. So aren't there many animals? You make a list of food you eat. You have to write here on 65 name of animal and food. You have to see these pictures and write the names. First one you have to write cow. Food is grass. See these pictures and fill these tables correctly, children, at your home. Next, on page number 66, here are picture of animals and the food of they eat. Match them by using pencil lines correctly. First one, elephant eats sugar cane. So match with this line to the sugar cane. See this A column and B column and match it correctly. Next one, frog is here. Frog is eating a grasshopper. Match the grasshopper. Third one, cat drinks a milk. Match a lastly. Last they are given here milk. So match the correct line with the milk. Monkey likes to eat a banana. Which fruit monkey likes to eat? Banana. Match correct line to the banana. Next, cow is here. Cow is eating a grass. Last one, rabbit. Rabbit likes to eat a carrot. So make this chart also complete clearly match drawings. And on page number 65 and page number 62, these two are a homework to you children. Read this lesson at home. In our next class, we will start a new lesson. Thank you.